safe?
No.
Not yet, okay. So, good morning everybody. We got a lovely Kaylin here. We're doing an emergency stopping here. Right, you ready, Kaylin?
Yeah.
Okay, so continue ahead. So I will make sure it's 100% safe before we carry out emergency stop. And when I put my hands up, stop, and I want you to stop as safest and quickly as possible, okay? So continue please at the moment, and I will check, make sure it's safe before I ask you to do it. Stop. Thank you. I would not ask you to do that again. Drive when we're ready, please. Thank you. And how's that?
Yes.
Good. Now pull into the right hand side, please.